Let's keep it going with solving more equations with variables on both sides. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to do a couple with you, and then I'm going to leave the rest for you all to try as practice, and we'll go through these together when we come to class. So let's see. Which ones do I want to try? I'm going to go ahead and try 8 and 10. And then that'll leave these 4 for you to try on your own, and we can see how we do together tomorrow. So once again, here in 8, I have variables on both sides. These expressions on both sides of the equation I need to simplify first. Combining like terms on number 8. 8w minus 2w is 6w plus 4 equals w plus 1. Now remember, a good rule of thumb to follow is to move all your variables to the left, but it's not required. I'm going to go ahead and follow that pattern for now, but we'll see. If you don't, you'll still get the same answer. So in order to move this positive w to the left, I need to do its opposite, which is a negative w, or subtracting w. W minus w cancels, and I have 5w plus 4 equals 1. Two-step equation. So now I will subtract 4 from both sides. 5w equals negative 3. Ignore my crazy dogs if you can hear them. And then my last step here is to divide by 5. W equals negative 3 over 5. It is okay to get fraction answers. So I'm going to keep going. Number 10 has expressions on both sides of the equal sign that can be simplified. I'm going to simplify both of those sides first before I move my variables around. So here on this left side, I can distribute a negative into that parentheses. 13 minus 2c minus 2. On the right side, I can distribute a 2 into my parentheses. 2c plus 4 plus 3c. So first, distributive property, handled. Now that I've applied the distributive property, I want to combine like terms to simplify. On the left side, my constants are like terms. Negative 2c plus 11. On my right side, my like terms are my variables. 2c plus 3c is 5c plus 4. So once again, it's up to you here whether you move your variables to the right side or to the left. It honestly does not matter. I'm going to stick to the general rule of moving it to the left. You do not have to follow this. So I will subtract 5c from both sides. Opposite of a positive 5c is a negative 5c. Those cancel. Negative 2 minus 5, negative 7c plus 11 equals 4. So now, two-step equation. First thing I'm going to do is subtract 11 from both sides. Negative 7c, 4 minus 11 is negative 7. Last step to isolate for c is to divide each side by negative 7. c equals 1. So once again, I want you to try the other 4 problems on this page for your own practice, and we'll go over those together in class tomorrow.